The Statistical Institute of Jamaica, Statin, reports that the economy grew by 8.2% for the fiscal year of 2021 to 2022 compared to 2020 to 2021. In a statement on Thursday, Statin indicated that the March quarter outturn was driven by 8.9% and 0.4% growth in the services and goods-producing industries respectively. The institute advised that economic activity was positively impacted by easing COVID-19 containment measures, including the withdrawal of the Disaster Risk Management Order during the period. Since 1985, Isratech Jamaica Limited has steadily built an impressive suite of products and services for applications in the agricultural, water, and energy sectors. On Wednesday, June 29, they officially opened the Isratech Jamaica Limited Superstore in Mandeville. In a statement online, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says that it signals investor confidence in the economy even against the background of the pandemic and other geopolitical shocks. Now for your market updates. In foreign exchange trading for Thursday, June 30, the US dollar sold for an average of $151.55. The Canadian dollar ended trading at $118.75. The pound sterling traded for $184.35, and the euro sold for an average of $162.53. The following reflects the movement of the JSE indices in Thursday's trading session. The JSE index advanced by 1,152 points to close at over 300,000 units. The junior market index advanced by 38 points to close at over 4,000 units. The combined market index advanced by 1,427 points to close at over 300,000 units, and the All Jamaican Composite Index advanced by 1,350 points to close at over 400,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 105 stocks, of which 55 advanced, 37 declined, and 13 traded firm. Stocks advanced for 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited, 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited Variable Preference, and Access Financial Services Limited. Stocks declined for 1834 Investments Limited, AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited, and Berger Paints Jamaica Limited. Trading firm were Caribbean Assurance Brokers Limited, Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited, and Carreras Limited. The following companies represent the overall volume leaders: Barita Investments Limited with over 21 million units, Dollar Financial Services Limited, and Pulse Investments Limited with over 4 million units. In regional stocks in Trinidad and Tobago, Glico Investment Fund was the volume leader with 150 shares, followed by Calypso Macro Index Fund with 100 shares being traded. On the Barbados Stock Exchange, Government of Barbados Bond Series B was the volume leader with over 60,000 shares, followed by Goddard Enterprises Limited, which traded over 4,000 shares. In regional business, the government of Antigua has revised its forecast for economic growth in light of the impact of the global inflationary pressures. More from ABS News.
Recovery has been strong. Unfortunately, we've had to deal with the escalation in food and fuel prices. So there has been an escalation in inflation, which unfortunately will reduce the growth that we projected. So, in opposed to the 6-7% that we expected this year, we see growth reduced to 4-5%.
Inflation has been triggered by developments in global supply chains, made worse by Russia's invasion of Ukraine. Fuel prices in particular have jumped significantly. A gallon of gasoline has gone from $12.50 in March to $17.50 as of June. Adjustments to petroleum prices in the country depend on prices on the global market. West Indies Oil Company has indicated that while crude oil prices are not as high as they were years ago, the prices of refined products such as gasoline and diesel have been hiked by refiners who are taking a much bigger bargain.
In market data for oil prices rose about 3%, recouping most of the previous session's declines as supply outages in Libya and expected shutdowns in Norway outweighed expectations that an economic slowdown could dent demand. Brent crude futures were up $3.03 to $112.06 a barrel, and West Texas Intermediate crude gained $2.84 to $108.60 a barrel. And that was the business report on PBC Jamaica. I'm Danita Rodney.